Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by making the caramel because it flavors and seals the flan. Heat 1 cup sugar with 1/4 cup water until amber. Pour into a round flan mold to coat the base. This prevents sticking and adds depth. Meanwhile, whisk 4 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk gently to avoid aeration, which causes bubbles. Once done, warm 2 cups evaporated milk with 1 cup sweetened condensed milk to about 60-70 degrees C, so it blends smoothly and kills any raw taste. Now you combine and refine. Temper the eggs by adding the warm milk slowly, about 1/3 cup at a time, whisking constantly so the eggs don't curdle. Once fully blended, add 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt for balance. Make sure to strain the custard through a fine sieve into a bowl to catch any coagulated bits and foam. This ensures a silky texture. Then pour carefully into the caramel-lined mold and cover with foil to prevent a dry top while baking. Finish by placing the covered flan mold into a bain-marie and bake at 160 degrees C for 50-60 minutes. You want it set at the edges and slightly jiggly in the center because residual heat finishes cooking. Once removed, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight so the curd firms and the caramel relaxes. To unmold, run a thin knife around the edge and invert onto a plate. If caramel clings, warm the base briefly to loosen. That fixes stubborn sticking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.